Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make Paav Bhaji. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified as soon as my new video is uploaded. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. And for the written recipe, please check the description box below. You can make this recipe in the pressure cooker also. Now let's start with the recipe. So the ingredients which we need are oil 1 tablespoon, butter 4 to 5 tablespoon, onion 1 big chopped, garlic 4 to 5 pods, tomatoes 2 to 3 chopped, potatoes 2 medium sized peeled and chopped, carrots 2 chopped, beetroot 1 small peeled and chopped, green peas 1 cup, cauliflower 1 cup, pav bhaji masala 2 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, water 1 cup. In spite of taking all the vegetables, you can take 2 cups of mixed vegetables frozen. The time can vary according to the size of the vegetables. So let's start with the recipe. First of all, start the instant pot on saute mode. After 30 seconds, it will start till the instant pot is getting hot. Let us put the oil and butter in that. And now add onion, garlic, mix it and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Add little bit of salt while frying so that the process get faster. And then add tomatoes, chopped potatoes, carrot, beetroot, green peas, cauliflower. Mix it. Add MDH pav bhaji masala, red chili powder. Here I am using bad ghee powder, so which is not so spicy and gives a very nice color. Half cup of water. Mix it. So today we are going to make it in a pot in pot. So on top of this I will put a stand on that. I will put rice, which is 2 cups of rice with 3 cups of water. Close the lid, set the whistle on sealing mode and manual cook or pressure cook for 4 minutes. If you are cooking this recipe in the pressure cooker, then you need to wait for 2 to 3 whistles and then switch off the gas. So after 8 minutes, I will do the natural pressure release. That is, I will take out all the remaining pressure from the whistle and then open the lid. Friends, normally beetroot is not added in the original traditional bhaji, but we are adding here to get the red color and avoid the spiciness. Take out the lid and see the rice is cooked very nice. Stay tuned for the next recipe in which I will use this rice and make the new recipe, which goes very complementing with the pav bhaji. Whenever you make pav bhaji, you can make this recipe. Take out the rice container and stand and start the instant pot on saute mode again. Here I am using the potato masher, or you can use this hand blender, immersion blender. So potato masher is little smaller to do, so I will use this hand immersion blender. You have to just pulse it, don't mix it for so much time, then you will not get the vegetables uh, uh, crunch. Add the butter, cook it till the needed consistency. If needed, you can add water, and yes, our pav bhaji is ready. Serve this bhaji with roasted pav and garnish it with the butter, freshly chopped coriander leaves, and finely chopped onion and lemon. Thanks for watching.